Hello darlings, for today's video, I'm creating an old money inspired look featuring all luxury products. I'm starting on the face with the Lancome LA Base Pro Primer and applying the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation. This is in the shade 0, which is too light for me, but I'm using the Westman Atelier Face Trace Contour Stick in the shade Biscuit to give some definition back to the face using the Sigma F85 brush. Now that we're already well over $100 in products, let's add in some Natasha Denona. This is the High Blush Cloudy Cream Cheek Duo in the shade Vamped, and I'm applying the cream blush first, and then I'm adding the highlighter that's in the palette on top for some glow. Up next, we have a YSL combo that's Chef's Kiss, the All Hours Concealer and Hyper Finish Translucent Powder. Once that's blended and set, we're dipping into the Natasha Denona Alloy Cheek Duo. The bronzer in this is very pigmented and the highlighter is absolutely luscious. It really gives old money vibes. I didn't have any luxury options for the brows really, so we're just using the Haus Labs Precision Pencil and Benefit Brow Gel. But y'all, this setting spray is a whopping $95. The Queen of Hungary Mist by Omorovicva is expensive. Next, I'm just priming the eyes with the Bobbi Brown Cream Shadow Stick in Vanilla. And here's where a bunch of Lancome products come in, starting with the Hypnose palette. This 5-pan palette retails for $65. Using the Sigma E35 brush, I'm applying the medium brown shade all over my lid. Then I'm adding the dark brown shade closer to my lash line and blending upwards. After adding a bit of the shimmery shade to the inner part of my eye, I'm softly adding the art liner right up against my lashes and smudging the 24-hour Drama liqui-pencil in French chocolate on my waterline. Next, we're curling our lashes and applying mascara. I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin Lash Curler and the YSL Lash Clash Mascara. Once again, no expensive lashes here, just some Ardell demi wispies. Really, they're like the perfect lash for a look like this, so understated and timeless. Finally, after some finishing touches, we have the lips. I'm first lining my lips with the MAC lip pencil in the shade Spice, and then applying the Valentino Rosso Valentino lipstick in the shade Roman Grace. And that completes this look. Let me know your favorite luxury makeup product in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.